We hope you've worked up an appetite. Today we're about to serve up a treat.
It's tasty. It's messy.
And it's going to be a whole lot of fun. We've got our ingredients.
And we've got some wannabe chefs. So pull up a chair. Make yourself comfortable.
It's time for a food challenge.
I'm so hungry. I want you to make me a yummy egg.
No problem. I love these molds.
In go the eggs. Now I'll add a little color. Whoa, look at that. I want to taste it. Eek, I squeezed too hard. It's so gooey. Ah, look at me.
I'll clean you up, dear.
Thanks, I guess. I better finish these eggs. They're going to be so colorful. I can't wait.
I'm going to pour milk into the eggs. These shells will add a little crunch.
Let's get this over with. I'll start with some oil. Is it hot enough? Hang on, that might hurt. Come here, Granny. Any second now. This is so relaxing.
I'll need to wait. I don't have time for this.
That should do it. My poor finger. That's the right temperature. Here goes. Those look good. I'll squirt food coloring onto the yolks. Then I'll use ketchup to make the lips.
Ah, that's so creative.
Don't touch me.
I think my eggs are ready.
It's over to you, dear.
Where should I start? I'll go with Granny's. Really? Eggshells?
Oops, I like them.
Wow, these are pretty. I hope they taste good too. Nice. I've got a lot of love for these eggs. Yay! I'm so happy to hear that. Ha, this plate is sad. Anyway, it's time to eat. These are excellent.
Did you see that?
I think that was a smile.
Next up, I want a delicious drink.
I can do that. Watch this.
I'll need a nice clean bowl.
That's perfect.
I'll add… What?
Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo! It sounds like someone has a sniffle.
It's time for Granny's secret recipe. It's super healthy.
I'll need celery, garlic, and honey.
Now I can add the milk.
Oh, can't forget about the lemon. Take that! I can give it a whiz now.
Who's drinking that? That is going to be yucky.
That looks about right. Just smell that goodness.
You'll be feeling better soon. I'll have a quick taste.
Just how I like it. Open wide.
Yuck.
Don't even think about it.
Ew.
No way!
My turn. This glass is too small. This won't do either.
Maybe I can help, dear.
Wow, that's what I'm after. First, I need fresh strawberries. Then the milk. Now I can whisk it up. I want it to be smooth. I could do this all day. It smells amazing. It needs some marshmallows. And candy, of course. How about chocolate syrup? I'll pour this around the edge of the jar. Then drizzle over sprinkles. It needs cream. Now that's a drink. It's going to be tasty.
It's good, but my drink is better.
Come on, hurry up!
What are you waiting for? Fine. This is so annoying.
I'll break chocolate into a bowl.
I'll add chocolate powder and milk.
Then I'll give it a mix. It's that simple.
Wait, something's missing. I know.
This is my special cup.
Look at this.
Pretty neat, huh? The worms add flavor. It definitely needs cream. And then blood or strawberry syrup. Yummy! Can't forget about the bugs.
That's interesting. Are we finished?
This is so cool. I'll start with this one. Bugs are okay to eat, right?
Are you crazy? Don't eat that.
Relax. It's not real. It's okay, I suppose.
You just made an enemy for life.
What do we have here?
I made it with love in a blender. I hope you like it.
I won't say anything. Now this looks good. It's yummy in my tummy.
I knew you'd like it.
What did I do wrong? I mean, there's garlic in it.
No wonder your breath stinks.
I'm so bored. It's time for the next challenge. Hey, pay attention.
It's pasta time. I'll make a well in the flour. Straight from the chicken. Maybe I can have some fun. Up it goes!
Are you kidding me?
Oops, maybe I need some practice.
At least I have one left.
I'll remove the shell this time.
I need to get my hands dirty.
Wow, I'm impressed.
I need to roll out the dough. I want it nice and thin. Then I can cut it into strips.
This will be my pasta.
That's good. I'll cook in it boiling water.
Wow, she is good.
There's still flour left.
I have a plan.
What the? That was disgusting.
Now I don't need to make pasta. It needs some color.
I'll give it a stir.
Take a look at this. It's too bright.
I'll show you how it's done. The pasta goes into the pot. And I'll turn up the heat. Sorry about that.
This is going to be so tasty.
I think my pasta is cooked. Ooh, tomato sauce. Do you smell burning?
It's all under control.
That's how you cook pasta.
It looks great. But it needs some toppings. A squishy, juicy eyeball.
That is so gross.
There's more.
No, it can't be.
How did she do that?
Just like Mom used to make. Ew. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Enjoy, sweetie.
Let's start. Over here. Black pasta? That's different. That tastes weird.
That was a family recipe.
Yuck, now I'll try Granny's. I'll need tomato sauce. Lots and lots of it. Yummy! Let's see how it tastes. It's a little boring. It could be better?
I have failed you.
Whoa! Look at this! It's got everything I like. I won! I'm so happy!
Love you guys.
Leave your comments below. Who do you think made the best food? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.